Options and futures are financial contracts that let traders speculate on the future price of an asset, but they work in very different ways. Both options and futures are known as derivatives because their value is derived from the price movement of an underlying asset like gold or stocks. Typically, one standard equity option contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock, acting as a standardized unit of trade. These contracts all share three main components that determine their potential profit or loss before they expire. The main difference is that options give you a choice, while futures represent a binding legal obligation to fulfill the contract terms. Futures often involve higher leverage and risk because you are obligated to complete the trade regardless of where the market price ends up. Keep this simple distinction in mind. Options provide flexibility, whereas futures require you to follow through on the transaction. Derivatives are complex tools used by professionals for hedging or speculation. Please research thoroughly before participating in these markets.